Are you still paying thousands on multiple AI tools? Struggling with AI restrictions that block innovation? What if you could access all premium AI models, without limits, censorship, or monthly fees? Introducing OneAi Freedom, the game-changing cloud-based AI dashboard designed for IT professionals, developers, and business owners. ChatGPT-4o Uncensored. Create ultra-realistic images, artistic designs, and next-gen AI responses. Grok AI, XAI. Engage in real-time, context-aware discussions with zero restrictions. Claude Pro Uncensored. Write long-form business reports, research papers, and proposals effortlessly. Microsoft Copilot Pro debug, optimize, and write high-performance code in seconds. Perplexity AI Pro summarize and find verified web insights instantly. Gemini 2.0 Flash process complex data with AI-powered intelligence, and much more, all in one single dashboard. Why pay hundreds per month for AI tools when OneAi Freedom gives you everything for a one-time investment? Fire all your expensive AI subscriptions and boost your business ROI instantly. IT professionals and developers streamline your workflow, automate coding, and supercharge productivity. Entrepreneurs and marketers create high-converting copy, blog posts, sales funnels, and video scripts instantly. Want to monetize AI? With a commercial license included, you can create and sell AI-powered assets, build an AI-driven SaaS business, and charge clients any amount you want. Turn AI into your revenue machine without limits. The future belongs to those who embrace AI. Don't get left behind. Click the link below and get instant access to OneAi Freedom, the only AI platform you'll ever need. No monthly fees, 30-day money-back guarantee, newbie-friendly dashboard. Link in bio or description. Unlock AI's full potential. Start now. Visuals, high-energy outro with AI visuals.